Every Dreamliner begins as raw aluminum, ready for transformation.
Titanium, light yet strong, forms the backbone of key structures. Composite materials are prepared with meticulous care for wing and fuselage sections. Every wire and circuit is accounted for before assembly begins. Cockpit and window glass are precision cut to exacting specifications. Rivets and fasteners are small but critical to structural integrity.
Landing gear must endure thousands of cycles. Inspection begins at arrival.
Engines arrive in sections, each part verified before assembly.
Passenger comfort begins with these carefully sourced materials.
Surface coatings are selected for durability and aerodynamic smoothness. Hydraulics and pneumatics form the moving heart of the aircraft. Every fuel system part is rigorously checked before integration.
Avionics components are prepared for precise installation later. Tooling ensures composites and fasteners meet exact tolerances. Insulation is prepared to keep cabins quiet and comfortable.
Frame assemblies are staged for later integration with fuselage sections.
Hydraulic fluids are prepped to ensure smooth operation of moving parts.
With raw materials ready, every Dreamliner journey begins on the factory floor.
Aluminum ingots are transported carefully to the production area.
Titanium sheets are guided precisely to prevent any damage.
Composite materials are delivered ready for processing.
Electrical systems are staged for immediate installation.
Every glass panel is handled with utmost care. Small components move in large numbers, ready for use.
Landing gear parts are transported to assembly points with precision.
Engine sections move methodically for the next integration phase.
Passenger interior materials are transported carefully to prep tables.
Surface coatings move to mixing stations, ready for application.
Hydraulic and pneumatic parts travel to ensure timely installation.
Fuel system elements move under strict handling protocols.
Avionics are staged in protective trays, ready for precise installation. Tooling is transported to assembly areas to maintain alignment precision. Cabin insulation moves in bulk for accurate pre-cutting. Window and canopy frames are staged for seamless integration. Hydraulic fluids move ready for installation in landing gear systems. With every component transported, the Dreamliner's assembly journey is ready to begin.
The journey of a Dreamliner continues as materials enter the heart of the factory.
Every component arrives here under careful supervision.
The factory doors welcome materials into the production flow.
Trained staff ensure every delivery is correctly processed. Conveyor systems streamline movement deeper into production.
Security measures ensure safe, controlled entry for personnel and materials.
Every corner of the dock is optimized for smooth material handling.
Composites are staged carefully, ready for their next journey.
Passenger interior components move smoothly from truck to floor. Engine parts are brought directly into controlled assembly zones. Paints and coatings enter precisely where they'll be applied.
Every delivery is coordinated to maintain a seamless workflow.
Conveyors bridge the gap from delivery to production lines.
Overhead cranes handle the largest components with care.
Critical small components are moved in perfect synchronization.
Inventory checks ensure nothing is missed before production begins.
With the factory doors open, raw materials are ready to enter the heart of production. Every aluminum ingot is cleaned meticulously before shaping begins.
Titanium sheets undergo rigorous inspection to ensure flawless performance.
Composite materials are verified for strength and precision.
Every electrical component is categorized for quick deployment.
Glass surfaces are cleaned and checked to maintain optical clarity.
Fasteners are organized to guarantee structural reliability. Landing gear parts are prepared to exacting cleanliness standards. Engine sections are cleaned to prevent any contamination during assembly.
Interior materials are inspected to meet passenger comfort standards.
Paints and coatings are verified to ensure consistent aerodynamic finishes.
Hydraulic systems are cleaned to prevent any contamination. Fuel system parts are prepared with precision to guarantee safety.
Avionics components are carefully sorted and checked for reliability.
Precision tooling is verified to maintain exact tolerances.
Insulation is sorted to meet cabin comfort and safety standards.
Frames are meticulously checked to ensure perfect alignment.
Hydraulic fluids are tested to maintain flawless system performance. With materials cleaned and sorted, the Dreamliner's assembly journey moves into production.
Aluminum sheets are cut with precision to form fuselage and wing components.
Titanium frames are shaped for strength and lightweight performance. Composite layers are meticulously aligned to ensure aerodynamic strength. Electrical systems begin taking shape, prepared for integration. Cockpit and window glass are refined for clarity and fit.
Every hole is pre-drilled to ensure structural precision.
Landing gear begins to take shape through careful subassembly.
Engine parts are processed with extreme precision for safety and efficiency.
Interior materials are shaped to exact dimensions for passenger comfort.
Paints are tested on sample panels to guarantee finish quality.
Hydraulic systems begin forming the moving core of the aircraft.
Fuel system modules are carefully assembled to ensure flawless operation.
Avionics components are assembled into modular units for reliability.
Composite parts are prepared for curing to achieve structural strength.
Insulation is cut precisely to fit each section of the cabin.
Window frames are assembled to guarantee a perfect fit in the fuselage.
Hydraulic systems are pre-filled to ensure smooth operation during testing.
With core components prepared, the Dreamliner moves into the heart of its assembly.
Fuselage panels are positioned with precision, forming the aircraft's backbone.
Rivets join panels into a rigid and durable structure.
Wing spars are integrated to provide strength and flexibility. Wing panels transform raw spars into aerodynamic lift surfaces.
Landing gear is installed to support the weight of the Dreamliner.
Engines are aligned carefully to ensure optimal thrust and balance.
Engines are fixed to the wings, ready for electrical and hydraulic connections.
Bulkheads divide the cabin and reinforce structural integrity.
Electrical systems start linking the cockpit to every section of the aircraft.
Composite sections are added to enhance strength while reducing weight.
Insulation panels ensure thermal and acoustic comfort for passengers.
Window frames are installed, preparing the cabin for transparency and safety.
Hydraulic and pneumatic systems begin forming the aircraft's functional network.
Fuel systems are integrated to power the engines efficiently and safely. Avionics modules are installed, linking the aircrafter's nervous system. Landing gear hydraulics are connected for operational readiness.
Engines are linked to systems that control performance and safety. With major structures in place, the Dreamliner enters the phase of precision and automation. Robotic rivet systems guarantee flawless structural joins.
Automation ensures every composite panel fits exactly as designed.
CNC machining shapes structural ribs with unmatched accuracy.
Hydraulic systems are routed efficiently with robotic assistance.
Automation aids in safely positioning heavy engines.
Interior panels are installed precisely, speeding up assembly.
Each rivet is measured for exact tension, ensuring structural integrity.
Automated masking prepares surfaces for a flawless finish. Electrical systems are tested automatically to catch defects early.
Automated inspection ensures every engine part meets exact standards.
Automated masking prepares surfaces for a flawless finish.
Robotic systems apply adhesives evenly for strong, lasting bonds.
Precision cameras check every seam to maintain perfect alignment.
Cargo bay systems are installed automatically for exact functionality.
Automation streamlines complex cable routing for efficiency and safety.
Fuel systems are verified under pressure before operational installation.
Cabin lighting is installed precisely, ensuring passenger comfort.
With high-tech automation in place, the Dreamliner moves toward precision finishing.
Every panel is measured and aligned to exact tolerances.
Wing surfaces are refined to ensure aerodynamic perfection.
Engines receive surface finishing for optimal airflow efficiency.
Landing gear receives precise adjustments for safe operation. Cabin interiors are aligned to exact specifications.
Window frames are fitted perfectly to maintain cabin integrity. Hydraulic systems are fine-tuned for flawless mechanical performance.
Avionics are calibrated to ensure precise operational control.
Fuel systems are tested under pressure for complete reliability.
Engines are fully integrated and ready for operational testing.
Cabin electrical systems are tested to guarantee passenger comfort.
Edges and surfaces are refined for safety and aerodynamics.
Control surfaces are checked for precision movement.
Interior panels are fastened with precision for safety and aesthetics. Cabin comfort systems are tested to ensure passenger satisfaction.
Every exterior surface is scrutinized for flawless appearance.
Precision and finishing complete, the Dreamliner moves into final inspection and testing.
Structural integrity is verified using precise X-ray imaging.
Ultrasonic inspection ensures every rivet is securely fastened.
Engines undergo detailed diagnostics to confirm operational readiness.
Hydraulic systems are tested for reliability under pressure.
Fuel systems are checked to prevent any potential leaks.
Avionics systems are tested for flawless control and communication.
Electrical systems are stressed under load to ensure safe operation.
Cabin pressure is tested to guarantee passenger safety at altitude.
Insulation and thermal performance are rigorously tested.
Control surfaces respond precisely under operational conditions.
Landing gear is tested through full extension and retraction cycles. Engines are tested for full functionality before flight readiness.
Cabin electronics and lighting are tested for passenger comfort and safety.
Vibration analysis ensures the aircraft withstands aerodynamic stresses.
Composite panels are verified to maintain strength and safety. Cabin airflow systems are tested to ensure passenger comfort.
Every system is diagnosed to confirm complete operational readiness.
Quality control complete. The Dreamliner is ready for final packaging and dispatch.
The Dreamliner's exterior is polished to perfection before storage.
Sensitive components are protected to maintain integrity during handling. All interiors are secured for safe handling and delivery.
The aircraft is positioned safely in the storage bay, awaiting dispatch.
A final inspection ensures readiness for delivery. The loading area is prepared for safe transport of the aircraft.
The aircraft is carefully towed to its dispatch position.
Engine covers removed and mounts checked before transport.
Landing gear is secured to prevent movement during handling.
All systems are verified one last time before departure.
Transport vehicles are aligned precisely for safe aircraft loading.
The Dreamliner is lifted and secured for its journey. Every fastening is double-checked to ensure safe transport.
The Dreamliner is fully prepared for its journey to the skies.
Careful movement ensures no damage during departure.
The Dreamliner transitions safely onto its transport vehicle.
The Dreamliner is loaded and tied down, ready for its global journey.
And this is how modern factories produce the Dreamliner.